Hello gentlemen, how are you? Welcome to my channel Piping Technical Trainer. Kindly subscribe my channel. Today I will make you understand. I will take 35 questions. That questions asked by interviewer in the interview in pipe fitting, piping, plumbing. These are the questions is very important. Let's see, I have also given the answers. Let's watch whole video. Easily you can understand and you can memorize all the answers of pipe fitting questions. Here, what is the expansion gap? Does the figure 1 indicates? Here this is a figure. This is a figure. Socket weld flange. See the red one, that is called expansion gap. How much expansion gap that have? So answer will be 1.6 mm. Now second question, identify what kind of hand tool does the figure 2 have? You know this pipe stand. And identify, next question, identify what kind of hand tools does figure this one. You know, this is called wedge gap spacer. What we call wedge gap spacer. Next, a punch uses the impact of hammer to indicate metals before you drill a hole to drive a pin and the allying holes into parts that are being mated. That is, this is called punch, center punch. Answer will be the center punch. Next question, is a metal tool that sharpened bevel is used to cut and shape wood, stone or metal, that is called chisel. Next question, it has a flat face for striking and spherical, hemispherical head for pinning metal or rivet, that is answer will be ball pen hammer. Next question, the head is used to drive nails, wedges and dowels. Answer will be claw hammer. This is claw hammer. Is used to tighten and remove screw, that is called screw. Are used to tighten and loosen all types and size of threaded pipe, that is called pipe wrench. You know pipe wrench. Next question, identify that kind of power tool does the figure have? This is grinding machine. Identify what kind of power tool does the figure 12 have? This one. This is bevel machine. This is called bevel machine. Identify what kind of hand tool does the figure 13 have? This is threading machine. Very easy questions. Identify what kind of power tools does figure 13 have? Here you can see speed cutter, called speed cutter, this one. Economical tool for making straight lines around the pipe or for use the straight edges. See, this is called wrap around. This is we use to making a straight line around the pipe, called wrap around. Identify what kind of hand tool does the figure 13 have? This is called pipe cutter. Identify what kind of butt joint pipe fitting does figure 15 have? Here, you know, elbow 90. Next question, identify what kind of butt joint figure 17, elbow 45 degree. Identify what kind of pipe joint. These are fittings. This is called concentric reducer. We have concentric reducer. Identify what kind of butt joint pipe fitting does figure 19 have? This is called eccentric reducer. See, concentric and eccentric, the difference. You can see this is called eccentric reducer. Don't be confused. Identify what kind of butt joint pipe fitting does figure. This is equality. See, this is equality. These all are fittings. Identify what kind of butt joint fitting does this inequality. Identify what kind of butt joint pipe fitting does figure 22. This is called weld neck flange. WNR. This is called weld neck flange. Here identify butt joint pipe fitting does the figure 23. This is called socket weld flange. This is called socket weld flange. Choose which of them are hand tools. See, this is a hammer and pipe wrench are hand tools. What does schedule means for pipe fitting? Schedule or schedule, that is called wall thickness of the pipe. Wall thickness of the pipe. And this is also important question. What is ASME B31.3? Don't be forget, this question always used to ask. Process piping code. What is the work of a pipe fitter? Fabricate and assemble. What is the work? Fabricate, assemble. Now here some question from mathematics. Find the circumference and the radius of the circle with radius 3. You know the formula 2 pi d. Through that you can calculate 18.84 inch. Convert this 1 meter into centimeter, 100 centimeter, 1 meter into millimeter, 1000 millimeter. Convert 10 meter into, you will get 10,000 millimeter. Convert 1 inch into 25.4 millimeter. Convert 1 inch into centimeter, 25 point. Here there is mistake. Here, sorry, 2.54 centimeter. No mistake, sorry. Here you have to calculate calculate the volume of a cylinder. You have to calculate the volume of the cylinder. We will get the 2154.04 inch. The formula. We have formula for that. You can calculate it. Here calculate the area of a rectangle, 16 centimeter square. Here length into width, we will get 16. Thank you. If you have any question, I will also upload the interview questions more. Thank you. If you have any question, kindly comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe and like and hit the bell button. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching. Watch all the videos. Is very important. I'm preparing for you